Okay, in terms of pen descriptions, pen cleanability, then they're obviously all straw bedded in this case. They're actually, the quality of straw is good, so I'll mark that down. I would give all these ones. If they're lying down, then we'll show you on another part of the unit the bedding scores, but these are quite good. When we look at cleanability, I think there's some nice examples here. So if you hold it just here, then we have a little bit of a problem, because unless these are steam cleaned, it's very, very difficult to get these things clean. I'm getting a residue off them, and I'm being sucked as well here. But however well they're done, and if you take a picture of that post at the rear there, that kind of thing is technically extremely difficult to clean. So I can only give that a score of 3 or 4. We come round, but what you'll have is some pens. So if we go around the other way and look over here, then an issue is the back wall. These I would have as maybe a 2. They're not too bad. They're well rendered at the moment. You can see there's some cracks being fixed, so people are working hard. But it's still quite hard to clean something like that, but generally not bad. Metal pen divisions, these at the moment are in quite good condition. Down the bottom, once you start to get the rust down there, it's just technically very difficult to clean that stuff. If there was a lot more rust, and I'd be maybe putting my finger along the edges, this is nice and clean, but that's what you need to do. You're looking at a score of 3 or 4. It's not an indictment of how hard people work, but it's a suggestion that equipment is actually quite hard to clean in the first place. In the same way that we've got the pink on the floor down here, so that's evidence that here the people are they're using a dry disinfectant on the floor. It's quite costly, but it's a positive move.